Just moments away from starting a new year, and what better way to do so with this sexy killer New Year's metallic smoky eye. It's dramatic, it's easy, and great to rock for that party you're probably about to head to. Keep on watching to learn how to create this look. To start off, moisturize your face and apply that primer that works best for your skin before applying foundation. Stick to something that gives your skin a satin finish because if it's cold outside, you definitely need that healthy dewy skin look to prevent your face from drying out. To help give the shadow more pigmentation, prime your eyes. Not only will it show off more, but it will last even longer throughout the night. Tarte Clean Slate works best for me, in case you were wondering. Tape works best for that clean, sharp look. That's why I'm going to apply that to the outer part of my eyes. For a clean transitional shade, I'm going to apply with my fluffy brush So Bougie to my natural crease. For more depth, take Cocoa Truffle with the same brush to bring out that transitional color even more. To help the eyes pop, take Decadence to the outer V of the eyes lightly and build the intensity. Buff out the edges with a clean fluffy brush for a more hazy effect. In the center of the eyelids, apply Dripping Diamond for that metallic silver pop. Such a great color payout from the chocolate gold palette, worth every penny. Make sure you blend out the edges of the metallic color to help soften up the whole look. Man, can't tell you enough how much I love Col-Lab's liquid liner. It's been addictive to use and very affordable as well. Get on it if you haven't tried. It's currently exclusive to Sally's Beauty. Alright, moment of truth. Let's take the tape off and see the results. Look at that clean cut. I love you, tape. Great makeup tool. With a flat brush, apply chocolate gold to the inner bottoms of the eyes for that extra pop to help give the look a more festive feel. With Decadence, go ahead and line the outer bottom of the eyes to bring the whole entire look together. My eyes need that extra lift, so I went ahead and applied my false lashes. My lashes are so short, so this definitely brought out the look even more. It's not required, but it's highly recommended. I don't want the look to be distracted by my brows, so I'm going to follow my natural brow and fill it in. My skin be acting up during the cold season, so I need a full coverage foundation. MAC is great for that, and the color I'm using today is going to be NC30. With a concealer that is slightly lighter than the foundation color, dot it underneath your eyes, sides of your nose, and other areas that needs that extra coverage and blend it out with a blending brush. Time to contour your face. Bronze the sides of your cheeks to help give it a more defined look and also add more color. Don't forget to highlight the highest points of your face for that healthy glow look. You can pretty much go with any lip color of your choice, but for me, I think Violet Cream from Urban Decay is a great color to go with this look, only because it's soft and natural to help bring the whole entire look together. Spray your entire face to finish off the look. That completes the look. Easy, huh? What better way to end the year than to create this dramatic look? I hope you all stay safe and warm, and I wish you all a happy New Year's.